phony songs. Why does this feel so wrong? Goodbye singers,